Hello children, today in session 2 let me go to exercise 4.1. Now here first question from page number 46. First question what it says, circle the multiples of 4 with blue color, cross the multiples of 6 with red color and underline the multiples of 9 with a pencil. Now here first what we should do, we should circle the multiples of 4 with blue color. So here already 1 to 100 numbers are written on the board. We should circle multiples of 4 with blue color. So here 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40, then 11 4s are 44, 12 4s are 48, 13 4s are 52, 14 4s are 56, then 15 4s are 60, 16 4s are 64, 17 4s are 68, 18 4s are 72, 19 4s are 76 and 20 4s are it is 80. Then similarly 21 4s are 84, then 22 4s are 88, 23 4s are 92 and 24 4s are 96 and last 25 4s are 100. Here you can say multiples of 4, every fourth number. It doesn't mean that you should know till 25 table. See here, every fourth number is multiplied by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth number. 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth number. Again 1, 2, 3, fourth number. Every fourth number is multiple of 4. This understood? Then what is told? Cross the multiples of 6 with red color. Now what we have to do, multiples of 6 we should cross with red color. Then 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. Every sixth number we are crossing, every sixth number. Got this? 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60, then 11 6s are 66, then 12 6s are 72. This understood? 12 6s are 72, then 13 6s are 78. Then 14 6 ja 84, then 15 6 ja it is 90, then 16 6 ja 96. These are the numbers which are multiple of 6. So every sixth number here we have crossed with red color. Now what is told? Underline the multiples of 9 with a pencil. So let me take here yellow color. On board I can't write with pencil, isn't it? So I have taken yellow color, and what we should do? Here we should underline the number which is multiple of 9, or I will square it, okay? So here 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81 and 9 10s are 90 here. Okay, 9 10s are 90, then 11 9s are 99. Now what we observe here? Check some numbers, they are multiples of 4 multiples of 6 and multiples of 9. Okay, some numbers. Here, which are those common numbers which are multiples of 4, 6 and also 9? Let me check here. So, we should find all three numbers, isn't it? Here, they should be multiples of 4, 6 and 9. So, which are those numbers? Where we find the circle, cross and box. Which is the first number? Is it 36? 36 is the number which is multiple of 4, multiple of 6 and multiple of 9. So, here let me write 36. Then it is 72. Here 72. Check here. These are the two numbers which are the multiples of both, all three, 4, 6 and 9. Now if I want to find 4 and 6, 4 and 6, then which are the numbers which are multiples of 4 and also 6? So what we should find? Blue circle and yes. So here blue circle and cross, it is 12. 12. Here we want to find multiples of both 4 and 6. So it is 12. Then 24. Then 36. Check here. 36. Then it is 48. Then 60. After 60 it is 72. 72, then it is 84, isn't it? 84, and the last one is 96. See here, these are the numbers which are multiple of 4 and 6. So here 36, it is common in both here, 72 is common in both here. Then what about 6 and 9? So 6 and 9 means you should get a circle, no, you should get a cross and you should get a box, isn't it? Cross and box, where you are finding 54, 18 here, first number 18, 6 and 9, it is 18, then same 36, then it comes 54, after 54 where you will find the cross and box, 72 and here 90, again here 36 and 72, they are common, isn't it? Now what is the meaning? 4 and 9. 4 and 9, where we are finding 4 means blue circle and 9 means yes, so square. So 4 and 9 both together we find only 36 and only 72, isn't it? Both we should get circle and box. So only 36 and 72. So these are called common factors. Here common factors of all 4, 6 and 9 are 36 and 72. Common factors of 4 and 6, these are the numbers. Common factors of 6 and 9, these are the numbers. They are the multiples, not factors, multiples. Multiples of 6 and 9, these are the common multiples. Then common multiples of 4 and 9, they are 36 and 72. Okay, so this is the derivation of this table. Then let me go to second main question. Here second main question, circle the multiples of 7 in the following numbers. Here some numbers are given. From that we have to circle the multiples of 7. Numbers are 7, 13, 14, 21, 22, 35, 36, 42 and 45. So here we have to find the multiples of 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, then 7 fours are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 49 is not there. So these are the multiples of 7. How we write? 7, 14, 21, 35 and 42 are multiples of 7. This is second main question. Okay. Then third main question, what it says, circle the multiples of 12 in the following numbers. Now here some numbers are given and we should find multiples of 12. So here numbers are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72. Now here we should find multiples of 12. So here with blue color, let me mark here 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are, it is 72. So these are the numbers which are multiples of 12. So let me write answer here: 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 and 72 are the multiples of 12. This understood, children? We should find multiples of given number. Then fourth question. Fourth question, what is told? Write the multiples of 2 between the numbers 50 and 60. So here we should write multiples of 2 between, here limit is given between 50 and 60. So here we should not start with 50, it is between 50 and 60. So 50 and 60 is not included in this question. So here multiples of 2, every even number is multiple of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, every even number is multiple of 2. So here after 50, which is the first even number? 52. Here 52, then comes 54, then it is 56 and 58. Here you should not include 50 and 60. It is told between the, not told from the, okay. So it is between 50 and 60. So 52, 54, 56 and 58 are multiples of 2 between the numbers from 50 and 60. This understood? Now fifth question, write the multiples of 15 between the numbers 50 and 100. So fifth question, what we should do? We have to find multiples of 15 between, from where to where? 50 and 100. So from 50 to 100 we should find multiples of 15. Now we know 15 table, isn't it? 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45. Still they are less than 50. 15 ones are 15, 15 is less than 50. 15 twos are 30, 30 is less than 50. Then 15 threes are 45, again 45 is less than 50. So is not our answer. Then 15 fours are 60. So here we write 60. Then 15 fours are 60. 15 fives are 75. 15 sixes are 90. Then what is 15 sevens are 105, which is more than 100. So only 3 terms we find multiples of 15 between 50 and 100. So 60, 75 and 90. Let me write here, and 90 are the multiples of 15 between 50 and 100. Got this, children? Okay, then let me go to 6th main question. Here 6th question is, write 5 multiples of the following numbers. Now here some numbers are given. We should find their 5 multiples. So those numbers are 15, then comes 17, then it is 19, and it is 23. So here 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, and 15 fives are 75. These are the 5 multiples of 15. Similarly, 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, 17 threes are 51, 17 fours are 68, and 17 fives are 85. So these are the 5 multiples of 17. Similarly, 19 table, 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 19 fours are, it is 96. 19 fours are 76. Then 19 fives are 95. 19 fives are 95. Then 23. 23 ones are 23. 23 twos are 46. 23 threes are 69. 23 fours are, it is 92. And 23 fives are 115. Yes, correct it is. So 23, 46, 69, 92 and 115. These are the factors of 23. So here we should find multiples of, not factors of, multiples of 15, 17, 19 and 23. These are the multiples of given number. Okay, then 7th question, find which of the following numbers are factors of 24. Here we should find the factors of 24. Some numbers are given and we should find the factors of 24. And those numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it is 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. Here some numbers are given and we should find factors of 24. So first let me see in which tables we can find multiple of 24. 24 where we are finding. So 24 here. 1 24s are 24, then 2 12s are 24, then 3 4s are 3 8s are 24, then 4 6s are 24. Then in 5 table we are not finding, then we find in 6 table. So 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 12 2s are 24, 24 1s are 24, isn't it? So here 1, this 1, circle here. Then we are getting 2, circle here. Then 1, 2, then it is 3, 3 and 4, 3, then 4. Then go in reverse way again. Next is 6, circle it. Then 8. In 8 table we are finding 24. Then 12. And after 12 it is 24. So these are the factors of 24. So here let me write the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 are the factors of 24. Thus understood, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12. These are the factors of 24. Then let me go to 8th main question. Here we completed 7th question. Then write any two factors of the following numbers. So first one is 6. So where you find 6? 2 3s are, isn't it? 2 3s are 6. So 2 and 3 are factors of 6. 2 and 3 are factors of 6. First one. Then second one, it is told 18. 18. 6 3s are 18. Anything you can write. 3 6s are. In whichever table you find these numbers, those two factors you can write. So 3 6s are 18. So 3 and 6 are factors of 18. Here you can write any number, okay? It's not compulsory that teacher told 3 6s are, so we should write 3 6s are. Even 9 2s are you can write, 9 2s are 18. You can write 1 18s are. 1 18s are 18. 1 and 18 are the factors of 18. This understood, children? Okay, then let me go to third question. Third one, after 18 it is 28. Where we find 28? 7 4s are. Even you can write 2 14s are. 28 1s are. Okay, so here 4 and 7. 4 and 7 are factors of 28. Then fourth number is, after 28 it is 36. So let me write 4 9s are 36. You can write 2 18s are, 6 6s are, isn't it? 36 1s are. So here 4 and 9. It is told to write only two factors. So here 4 and 9 are factors of 36. Then here fifth number is 42. 6 7s are 42. You can write 21 2s are, 41 1s are, isn't it? So here 6 7s are 42. Even we can write 14 3s are. So here 6 and 7 are factors of 42. Then after 42 it is 48. So where we find 48? 12 4s are 48, 6 8s are 48, 24 2s are 48, 41s are 48, 8 6s are 48, isn't it? So here 6 8s are 48. 6 and 8 are factors of 48. Thus understood, children? Here any two factors we should find the multiples of those numbers and write the factors. Ninth question, write all the factors of following number. Now here we should write all the factors, not only two factors. As much we find factors, all the factors we should write of given numbers. So here first question is 9. Ninth main, first one is 9. So where we find 9? 1 9s are 9. Then 3 3s are 9, isn't it? Then 9 1s are 9 again. So here 1 3 and 9. 1 3 and 9 are factors of 9. Then second one, 13. So 13, where we find 1 13s are 13 or 13 1s are 13. 13 you won't find in any table as they are called prime numbers. So here 1 and 13 are factors of 13. Then after 13 it is 20. Third number we should find factors of 20. So 1 20s are, yes, 20. Then 2 10s are 20. Then in 3 table we won't find 20. 4 5s are 20. Then again 5 4s are 20. 10 2s are 20. 21 20 1s are 20. So here 1 2 4 5 10 and 20 are the factors of 20. This understood, children? We should write all the factors of given number. So for 20 we have 6 different factors. Then 26. Fourth one, about 26, 1 26 are 26. Then 2 13s are 26. Then in 3 table, 4 table we won't find 26. Okay, so here 1 2 13 and 26 are the factors of 26. Then fifth number is 40. Here fifth number 40. So 1 40s are, yes, it is 40. Then in 2 table 2 20s are 40. In 3 table we won't find 40. So 4 table 4 10s are 40. Yes, in 5 table 5 8s are 40. Then in 6 table no, 7 table no. Then again 8 10 20 and 40. So here 1 2 4 5 8 10 20 and 40 are the factors of 40. This understood, children? Here question is write all the factors of given number. Then 10th question, write the factor tree for the following numbers. Here only one method we will do. You can try for other methods too. Here factor tree, I will do only one method. So here write the factor tree. First one, 10th main first question, it is 12. So here 2 6s are 12. Then this 6, 2 3s are 6. So here 12 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Then second one, it is 20. So this 20 we can write 2 10s are, and 10 we can write 2 5s are. So 20 is equals to 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, so last you should write multiples of 20. Which are the multiples? By multiplying we get 20. Then third one, it is 28. So again here 2 14s are. Then 14 you can write 2 7s are. So 28 is 2 into 2 into 7. Then after 28 it is 32. Next number is 32. How we write 32? 2 16s are. 2 16s are. Then 16 it is 4 4s are, isn't it? Or you can write 2 8s are. Here you can write 2 8s are. Then 8 again it is 2 4s are, and 4 it is 2 2s are. So here 32. is equals to 2 into 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And last number after 32, it is 36. That is fifth one. So here 36, it is 2 18s are, then how we write 18? 2 9s are, then this 9 we write 3 3s are. So this 36 equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. So here 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Same multiplication again we should get. So these are the factor trees of given number. Here only one method I have done. You can try it in other way. Then 11th question, here factor tree is given. We have to fill it up. We have to complete the factor tree. So 11th question is, two questions are there. Complete the following. Here 48 is given, where here is 12 and this is blank. Then here 12, here is blank and 3 is given. Then this side, here 2 is given and this side blank. Then again from here 2 is given and this one is blank. Then second one is, here itself is one blank. Then two different numbers are given where numbers are missing. Then here down, this is 2, here is 3, and here it is 5 and here is 2. So let me fill up the blank. Now here 48 in 12 table, where we find 12 ones are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36 and 12 4s are 48, isn't it? So here answer is 4. 12 4s are 48. Now 12 in 3 table, where we find 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So 3 4s are 12. Got this? Then this side 2 2s are 4. So here blank is 2. 2 2s are 4. Similarly again here 4 is given. So it is 2 2s are. Again 2 2s are, it is 4. This understood, children? Then here these terms are missing and here numbers are given. So what we should do? 2 3s are 6, 5 2s are 10. Then 6 10s are 60. This understood, children? So number is 60. If you split 6 10s are, you will get. Then this 6 is 2 3s are and this 10 is 5 2s are. Got this, children? So here we have completed exercise 4.1 and here a chapter, factors and multiples, it also completes. This is the end of the lesson unit 4, factors and multiples. Okay. Then in next session we will go to unit 5. Till then, thank you.